Hi everyone, Roland Banyas from Creative Nation Academy. I recently got into a live webinar for What's New in Photoshop 2025 with Dane Sign Learning Hub. And then I forgot that there was this one new feature that's really exciting, so I'm making this video. I'm here in Photoshop Beta, and as you would see, I've loaded the image. It's what we call remove reflections. Where is it hiding? It's inside of the Adobe Camera Raw filter. Let's go and click on filter. I need to click first the layer itself. Let's click on filter and then click on Camera Raw filter. After I did that, let's go to the remove section of Camera Raw, and then this is located on the bottom side, which is the distraction removal features. Let's click on that, and let's easily click on apply. What will happen is that it will enable you to see a progress bar on which you would see how magical this feature is. It enables you to remove the actual glass inside of your image, and as you can see, that's how easy it is for you to create. Let's click on OK, and that's how magical this feature is. Check out new upcoming live webinars together with Dane Sign Learning Hub, Likhana Dito, and Jemari Bocalbos in our new series. See you there.